The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 has taken the automotive world by storm, setting new standards in performance and design. At its core lies the LT7 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, a marvel of engineering that delivers an astounding 1,064 horsepower at 7,000 rpm and 828 lb-ft of torque at 6,000 rpm. This immense power enables the ZR1 to achieve a top speed of 233 miles per hour, making it the fastest production Corvette to date. Acceleration is equally impressive, with the ZR1 capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds when equipped with the ZTK performance package, and completing a quarter mile in 9.6 seconds at 150 miles per hour. Aerodynamics have been meticulously crafted to complement the ZR1's performance. The vehicle features wide side air inlets and carbon fiber elements that not only enhance its aggressive stance but also contribute to its functionality. The front splitter, paired with an underwing and smooth underbody, generates suction to maximize downforce and reduce drag. Additionally, the available ZR1 carbon fiber aero package includes a potent carbon fiber wing, underbody strakes, and carbon fiber dive planes, working together to produce the highest downforce of any production Corvette in history. Design elements pay homage to Corvette's rich heritage while embracing modern advancements. The iconic split rear window returns, now featuring ventilation and a louvered spine to increase engine bay cooling, seamlessly integrating form and function. New carbon fiber hatch intakes draw in colder air, improving engine performance. Inside, the driver-centric cockpit boasts top-of-the-line detailing and premium amenities, including a flat top and bottom steering wheel with unique ZR1 badging and available suede microfiber wrapping. The market has responded enthusiastically to the ZR1's debut. The first retail unit was sold at Barrett-Jackson's Scottsdale auction for a staggering $3.7 million, with proceeds benefiting charity. This underscores the ZR1's status as a highly coveted collector's item. For enthusiasts looking to own this masterpiece, the ZR1 starts at $174,995 for the 1LZ Coupe and $185,995 for the 3LZ Coupe, with convertible options available at a higher price point. In a move to cater to international demand, Chevrolet is expanding its presence in the UK. Partnering with major dealership Arnold Clark, new showrooms are set to open in Glasgow and Altrincham, Greater Manchester, in early 2025. These facilities will feature models like the C8 Corvette Stingray and C8 Corvette Z06, with right-hand drive configurations specifically designed for the UK market. This expansion allows customers to purchase, test drive, and experience new models up close, reflecting Chevrolet's commitment to making the Corvette more accessible to a global audience. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 represents a harmonious blend of raw power, advanced technology, and thoughtful design. It stands as a testament to Chevrolet's dedication to pushing the envelope and challenging the best in the world. As production commences, automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate experiencing this pinnacle of performance firsthand.